Welcome guys. So in the previous video, we talked about the variational principle of the Dirac and Schrodinger and the Maxwell equation, and I forgot to deal with the simplest case. Basically, it's the standard Klein Gordan. Okay, so let's this video just do the step by step. So to check that this Lagrangian actually produced the standard Klein Gordan equation. So let's go to, so our Lagrangian defined to be half partial m phi minus half m squared phi squared. Okay, so your Lagrangian partial phi will give you minus m squared phi and then partial m phi, right? This m phi will give you upper index partial m phi, right? So if you plug all the Lagrangian equation, then you get minus m squared phi squared minus partial m phi equals 0. And let's call this is a box. So this is called a box plus m squared phi. So this box is called a Dalton version, right? So from this simplest Klein Gordan example, so we already showed that this Lagrangian indeed give you the correct example. Okay, I'll see you guys in the next videos.